Hello cuties, welcome back to my channel. So if you are new to this channel, hi, my name is Nandini and you will find some affordable and good quality outfit recommendations here on my page. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today's video is a huge summer haul video where we will get to see some affordable and good quality jeans, jumpsuits and some party tops too. So you will definitely find some summer add-on to your wardrobe from this video. So first up we have this black jeans from the brand Off Duty. I was seeing a lot of promotional videos from this brand, so I thought of giving it a try. I bought this jeans in the size XS and as you can see that the fitting came out to be pretty good. The fabric was also pretty nice and the fit and the length came out just how I really wanted. This is a high waist bootcut jeans and the bootcut jeans looks very much better as compared to a regular straight fit jeans. So if you are bored of wearing a regular straight fit jeans, you should definitely invest in this jeans. I got this jeans from the Myntra end of season sale for around rupees 1990, which is a fair price considering the quality and the fabric. Next up we have this jumpsuit from the brand H&M. I am personally a huge fan of this brand because of its top-notch quality and designs. Now, I got this one in the size XS and as you can see, the fitting is a chef's kiss. I love the knot detailing around the waist since it adds structure to the outfit. Also, the prints of this jumpsuit give that summer beachy vibe. The best thing about this jumpsuit is the fabric. It's sheer butter. You can go around wearing this outfit the entire day and you will not feel that summer heat. You can wear this jumpsuit to your college, to your office, or even for a vacation. I got this jumpsuit from the end of season sale for around rupees 1600, which is a bang on price. Next up, we have this green corset top from the brand Trendyol. This brand has been gaining a lot of attention these days among the women for their amazing designs in jumpsuits, in tops, in dresses, in corsets. I mean, what not? I love the designing of this top. Like, it's super unique. This top hugs your upper body and give that snatch look. Corset tops are very much in fashion these days, so you should definitely add one to your wardrobe. Top is perfect not only for party purposes but also for casual outings. Like, you can pair this top with a black jeans or a blue jeans and it will look great that way too. I got this top for around rupees 1200, which is a very affordable price considering the quality and the design. Now we have this denim jumpsuit from the brand Safaraz. I hope I'm pronouncing the name right. This brand sells some low price clothes. Some are of good quality, however, some don't hit the right spot. But as you can see in this video, the fitting and the fabric of this jumpsuit is pretty nice. I am wearing the size XS. Denims are never leaving the fashion game, so you should definitely add this one to your cart. As you can see, the jumpsuit look pretty cool on me, giving that statement shirt and jeans vibe all together. You can go around wearing this jumpsuit for casual outings or even to your college. I got this jumpsuit for around rupees 1500 from the sale, which is again a steal deal. Now we have this beige jeans from the brand Mango. I don't think so this brand needs any introduction because it is a lot famous among the women for their tops, dresses, and jumpsuits. Though this brand is a little bit on the expensive end, I was surprised to see that I got this jeans just for rupees 1895, like a steal deal. Now everybody have that blue and black jeans in their wardrobe. So if you want to add some another color to your wardrobe, this jeans will be the perfect pick. Beige color goes well with some major colors like red, brown, black, white. This jeans is a high waist wide leg jeans and as you must have observed, this jeans makes me look a lot taller as compared to the black jeans I just showed you. This is because of the wide leg cutout of this jeans, so you should definitely add this to your wardrobe. Next we have this black sweetheart neck top again from the brand Mango. I love how this top looks on me, especially the back. I am obsessed with it. Like, it gives super sexy and hot vibes. Also, the peplum detailing adds proportion to the top, making it stand out really well. This top will definitely turn heads in the parties. I am wearing the size XS in this, and it costed me around rupees 2000, which is not a bad price considering we are getting the brand Mango in this. Next we have this printed v-neck jumpsuit from the brand Ombre. This brand sells an amazing collection of short kurtis and jumpsuits. This brand is a bit on the pricier end, but its quality makes it worth every penny. The prints of this jumpsuit are super soothing to the eyes and give you that Indo-Western and the boho look you are looking for. Also, I love the fact that this jumpsuit might also look like a dress if you view it from a distance. And the fabric of this jumpsuit is pure cotton, just what we need to beat the summer heat. So you should definitely add this jumpsuit to your cart. It will set aside your jumpsuit collection from the rest of the people. Now, I am wearing the size XS in this jumpsuit and it costed me around 2000 in the sale, which is not a bad price considering the fit and the quality. Lastly, we have this red strapless tube top again from the brand Trendyol. I am obsessed with the top collections of this brand. Like it even beats H&M and Zara sometimes in terms of the designing and the quality. This top has a unique cutout detailing and the red color adds more drama to this, making it look super hot and classy at the same time. I am obsessed with how this overall party look has turned out, and this top is a versatile piece of clothing. Like you can pair this with a black or a blue jeans and it will give you that casual outing look you want. Now, I am wearing the size XS in this top and this costed me around rupees 1200, which is a super affordable price. So that was all for today's haul video. You can find the links of all the products in the description below. Also, do let me know which haul do you want to see next, and I will see you super soon with some amazing and trendy outfit recommendations.